So, we lost. They lost. First time in his career, LeBron James lost in the first round. Fuck! Fuck! Frank Vogel, you're fired. You're fired. Don't give me defense. You're done. I don't give no fuck about no goddamn defense at this point. Because, my nigga, Frank Vogel, I appreciate the defense. I appreciate it, my nigga. I really do. I appreciate it. But, my nigga, can you bring some type of offense to the fucking table? Where's the offense at? Because you don't know shit. These niggas don't know who the fuck to put in at what time. Fuck the series. Game 7. Where the fuck is Drummond? I don't care how ass he was game 4 or game 5. Where is he at now? Where's Ben? Fuck. You had fucking Matthews guarding Booker the whole fucking game? The whole game? Oh, and then here are going to comments. Oh, why don't they put LeBron on him, nigga? He got to do this shit again? He got to carry niggas again? At 36? Kuzma, you're fucking done. All your contemporaries are over you. All of them. Tatum, Ingram, they're all over you. This nigga, yo, I swear this nigga Kuzma, I wanna kill this nigga. This nigga rather go to a bum ass team just to be a fucking all-star and say we're gonna go fucking chip. That's what you want? You wanna be an all-star, nigga? That bad? You wanna go to what the fuck you wanna go to the Pelicans, become an all-star, and then be 12th place in the fucking conference? That's what you want? You wanna go spread your wings somewhere else, nigga? Just to be a fucking all-star? And not fucking win? That's what you want, huh? You see Ingram out there being an all-star, 12th in the fucking Western Conference. Not even in the fucking playoff picture. That's what you want. Yeah, them two niggas at the top. Frank, you're done. You're fucking fired. Frankie? Don't know who to put in. The defense ain't working, so nigga, go to the offense. No plays. Just pick and roll every fucking time. Soon as Bron can't even sit the fuck down. Bron can't even sit down and have a fucking sip of Gatorade, nigga. LeBron come out, drop some good shit, soon they go to the fucking, this Bron, soon they go down to the bench, This Bron, soon they go down to the bench. Booker for 3. Right back the fuck up. Right back up. Me even sit the fuck down yet. Couldn't even see what fucking time it was. Couldn't even check my fucking stats. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all acting like Suns were special. Yes, they were special. They wasn't special game 7, nigga. Crowder, that was his best game of his fucking career. Because that shit not happening again. Fuck Crowder. The fuck? Hitting them type of shit. He did all that. Didn't do it for the Heat. You damn sure didn't do it for when you was on Cleveland. You want to do that shit now? You better go to the chip or I'm on your ass. Chris Paul, I love you. I really do. If y'all lose, I'm on your ass. So Frank done. Kuzma, you're fucking trash. You spent all the VC on the tattoos and shit on the hair, but none of it for the fucking basketball skill. Because just like Ben Simmons, you haven't been good since you got here. You haven't been good since the first year, nigga. You haven't been that nigga yet. So stop acting like it. Fuck. Let's down the line. Wesley Matthews, gone. What a fucking waste. A fucking sperm, nigga. We brought you over here for a plus. By the end of the season, we even though you was on the fucking roster no more. We even though you was still here. You was healthy the whole fucking season. We didn't even give a fuck. Laker fans didn't even care, nigga. They didn't. What the fuck? Nigga's KCP over that nigga. How? You're 3-D. You're better than that nigga. KCP will cook the shit out you right now. Caruso, fry you. That's how trash this nigga is. Rondo, now. You see Booker and all this shit. Frank didn't think for 1 second to put in Ben McLemore, who came in and gave us 20, nigga. First game here, he gave us like 20. First time being Laker. Not a single fucking minute in game 7. Neither is Drummond. Aiden didn't even do shit. He didn't do that much shit. He didn't do it that much. So you're telling me you put Marcus on thinking he was going to say the fucking day, you didn't think, okay, Mark acting like a soft bitch. Let me put in Andre. Couldn't be any more worse, right? Couldn't have been any more worse. Nope. We'll just keep his ass out. We'll lose. Shit was killing me, bro. Fucking 80 trying to do side steps. Nigga, you hurt, nigga. You hurt. You ain't healthy, nigga. Trying to keep the fucking show going like you fucking healthy. Nigga, you're done. This nigga trying to do, this nigga got the fucking ball trying to do fucking step backs and all that shit. Nigga did step back with the invisible ball. This nigga still did. Like it hurts still. It's over. Fuck you, Soup. You warming up? Fuck you warming up for? The off season? What the fuck? Bron 36. They still asking the nigga to drop 50 a game. I understand. Bron gave the fuck up. Yes, he gave up. He quit on the niggas. Yes, he quit. What the fuck, nigga? I'm not gonna drop 60 and lose, nigga. I'm trying to let y'all eat. Yes, Bron wasn't that good. Yes, he wasn't that good. But it wasn't worse than the rest of them faggots. Half the roster is fucking gone. Frank, fired. Kuz, gone. Wesley, gone. Don't get rid of Horton Tucker. He young. Horton Tucker got the energy. And speaking of fucking energy, where the fuck is Montrez? Where the fuck? Where's Montrez at? How it? See, this is why y'all need me on this platform. Y'all know that? Because I done watched this shit. I watch it. Y'all come out the next day and say a whole different thing. And it's like, bro, if you got common sense and you watch the game, how the fuck did you not pick up on this? As the one nigga who was the only nigga that carried us, that carried these niggas the whole time Bron and 80 was going. Who was it? Because the damn shit wasn't Schroeder, bum ass. It wasn't Drummond. It was Montrezl fucking Harrell carrying the fucking Lakers while these niggas was injured. Every fucking game I look up, somebody else was trash. Kuzma had 5 points. Fucking Montrezl had 20-something points. Every other game. These niggas wasn't playing. Somehow, some fucking way, when they need him the most because their best big man is down, he gets no fucking playing time. Neither does Drummond. How the fuck we're a game where there's no Anthony Davis? You don't play Drummond and Montrezl? Fuck this the Rockets playbook, nigga. You got Tyson Chill on the fucking bench. Play him, nigga. fuck did y'all do basketball all y'all career and y'all still don't know basketball? Y'all did all that journaling, all that fucking year, this whole fucking decade, the whole fucking century, nigga. Still don't know ball. Still don't know the fucking plays. Still don't know what the fuck to put in. What the frack, nigga? Oh yeah, we not done yet. That was just that was just the first piss off. Let me show y'all one of the real piss offs. Let me show y'all the real piss off. Let me show y'all the real piss off, because y'all didn't know. Because y'all didn't think I was going to do it, huh? Y'all didn't think I was going to do it, huh? Yeah. Julius Randle, you got one more time, and I'm done with you. You got one more fucking time, and I'm done with you. That fast. Yup, I'm done that fast. You son of a bitch. I cheered for you the whole fucking season, and you let me fucking down. The whole season. I said Knicks, nigga. Knicks, we're going to try to at least, maybe not make the playoffs, but we're going to be right there. As soon as D-Rose slid over, I said, my nigga, say good fucking bye, because we're going to the playoffs. What the fuck, nigga? I said, as soon as D-Rose slid, it took me, I knew the first game when they didn't play him, because I would have won the bet. I bet on that nigga to come in the fourth, drop these niggas off what they do in the fourth, took him out the same game. Because that's how much I know D-Rose game. What the fuck? They think D-Rose Raj. He will drop ball 70% of the league right now. How about D-Rose will drop ball 70% of the league? So, let's get back to reality. Trae Young. I actually love Trae Young. See, y'all niggas gotta stop hating on my man Trae Young. I told niggas him and Luka is not the same, but it's right there. It's right there. I don't care. Trae Young's right there. Especially what the fuck he doing right now? Yes, it's a wrap. Nigga, Julius, you got one more shot, my nigga. I'm telling you, because the fact that they had to come to D-Rose savior, my nigga. They got to come to these old niggas savior when they got all these new niggas on the team. They still had to go to D-Rose. And I told these niggas were not winning. And guess what? As much as they wanted to get the ball to D-Rose, because he had to carry y'all niggas, I said y'all not winning without that nigga getting the ball. Y'all not winning without that nigga getting the ball. This nigga Trae Young fucked us up. Bad. They fucked us up. Yeah. They fucked us up real bad. Julius, you got one more shot, my nigga, and I'm done with you. I promise. One more. You can't be like fucking shit. You can't come on her shit. I understand it was your first playoffs. I understand, my nigga. But guess what? It was Trae first time in the playoffs too, nigga. His first time too. Dropped your ass off. Yeah. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking too good. It's really not looking too good. All my picks is gone in the first round. Heat gone. Knicks gone. Lakers gone. All in the first fucking round. You can't make this shit up. All the teams, I had 4 teams. Knicks, Sixers, Lakers, Heat. Y'all know me. Y'all know me, then you know. 3 of them motherfuckers got fucked in the first round. The first round. I'm gonna be back. I'll be back. Like the video. Subscribe if you're new. Yeah. Because if this nigga was on the team, I'm out, man.